Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you a powerful desktop software that can make your Telegram digital product selling business more professional, organized, and automated. The name of this software is Universal Digital Shop Bot Pro. Who it is for if you sell software, courses, source codes, AI tools, templates, zip files, eBooks, product keys, or any kind of digital product on Telegram, then this software can be a complete solution for you. Desktop Admin Panel. First, let's talk about the interface. The software comes with a clean, modern desktop admin panel. From one place, you can manage products, orders, users, coupons, wallet balance, payment methods, delivery links, AI settings, broadcasts, and bot settings. This is not just a simple Telegram bot script, it is a complete control panel for running a Telegram digital shop. Telegram bot setup. The software includes Telegram bot integration. You only need to add your bot token, admin Telegram ID, payment details, and AI API key if you want AI support. When users open the bot, they get a clean button-based menu. Everything is organized with buttons like shop items, my purchases, my profile, payment info, coupons, support, language, and about. Product management. Now let's talk about product management. You can add different types of digital products such as software, AI tools, source code, courses, templates, ebooks, zip files, product keys, physical products, and more. While adding a product, you can set the title, slug, category, product type, description, price, stock, local file path, or Google Drive delivery link. For product key-based products, you can add keys separately, and the bot will deliver the assigned key after payment approval. Payment system. Now coming to the payment system. This software supports multiple payment methods like Store Wallet, UPI, PayPal, card payment instructions, crypto gateway instructions, USDT, Bitcoin, Binance Pay, manual bank transfer, and custom payment methods. For UPI payments, the bot can generate a QR code directly inside Telegram. The user can pay and then upload the payment screenshot, UTR, transaction hash, or reference number. The admin can verify the payment from the desktop panel or from Telegram admin commands. Auto delivery. Now let's talk about the auto delivery system. After the admin approves the payment, the bot automatically sends the product delivery to the user. Depending on the product setup, the user can receive a download link, a local file attachment, or product key details directly inside Telegram. If delivery is not configured correctly, the software marks it as a delivery issue so the admin can fix it. AI support. This software also includes AI support. You can configure Gemini AI, and the system also supports other AI providers from the admin panel. The AI assistant can answer common customer questions, recommend products, collect requirements, and notify the seller when human support is needed. This helps reduce manual support work and makes the Telegram bot feel much smarter. Extra features. Apart from this, the software includes coupons, wallet deposits, admin wallet credit and debit, customer reviews, buyer-seller chat, order history, payment reminders, broadcast messages, language selection, and low stock alerts. The bot flow is simple and professional. Select product, choose payment, upload proof, admin approval, receive delivery. Admin control from the admin side. Everything is easy to manage. You can track orders, approve or reject payments, manage users, add coupons, update delivery links, send news to all users, reply to customer chats, and start or stop the bot directly from the desktop panel. Outro. So friends, if you sell digital products on Telegram and want a professional automated system, then Universal Digital Shop Bot Pro can be a powerful solution for you. If you like this software, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which feature you liked the most. See you in the next video.